Hi everyone, I haven't made a video in a while, but welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today I'm going to be making two different types of vegetable casseroles. I'm going to be making a zucchini casserole, and I'm going to be making a squash and shrimp casserole. So I've already cut up my vegetables, I have everything prepared, so let's get started. All right, so let's look. I'm going to adjust my camera so that we can look at what I'm cooking. All right, so here's my camera. All right, so we're going to start out with our casserole dish. I'm going to use this tinfoil pan right here because I'm not making this for myself. Otherwise, I put it in a great casserole dish, but since I'm not making this for myself, so I'm going to pour this zucchini that I sliced into this pan, which is, you can consider it a casserole dish. I'm just going to separate my zucchini a little bit because they're kind of stuck together. They've been sitting in that thing for a minute. Okay, I'm just going to kind of separate them a little bit. All right. Next, I'm going to take this same pan, set this aside for a minute over here. So with this recipe, it's going to call for some heavy whipping cream, about a cupful, salt and pepper, about a half a teaspoon of each. And I'm going to use 4 eggs. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put my 4 eggs in here. Okay. Here's an eggshell. Let me get that eggshell out. I don't want people eating eggshells. Okay. 4 eggs. Cracked. Okay, I'm just going to whip those up a little bit. Okay, next we're going to go with our heavy whipping cream. You can use half and half if you don't have heavy whipping cream. Okay, I'm going to put about a cup to a cup and a half of heavy whipping cream in there. Okay, because I'm making this big bowl. So you're going to need a lot. And then I'm going to pour my salt and pepper. We're also going to use cheese. So I have some Colby Jack cheese, shredded Colby Jack cheese that I'm going to be using. Stir that together. Next, we're going to add our cheese. Got some Colby Jack cheese, as I said earlier. I'm going to go ahead and cut this bag open. This is a resealable bag so that I can keep it fresh. Keep my cheese fresh. Okay, got that cut open. And I'm going to open it. I always have a hard time opening these bags. I don't know why, but I do. Oh, didn't have that much of a problem that time. Okay, I'm going to use about 2 cups. That's about 2 handfuls of cheese. Maybe 3. Yeah, 3 cups is good enough. Or 3 handfuls. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, I think I need to add some more half and half to cover all of this food, all of this zucchini that I'm going to be baking. And then I'm going to add some cheese on top. So I'm going to add a little bit more half and half, maybe another cup. I almost used the whole carton. I think I have about a cup left in that carton. Okay. All right, I'm going to take my zucchini that I've sliced up, put it right here, and we're going to pour our mixture over the zucchini, just like so, evenly distributed. Okay, just distribute it evenly over everything. Just like that. Tomorrow is Martin Luther King Day. I'm so looking forward to it. I plan on just relaxing and maybe go to a parade, take my granddaughter to a parade. And we're just gonna have a good Monday enjoying Martin Luther King Day and celebrating his legacy. Okay, got that. Push this down like in there, like that. Put a little cheese over it. Okay, we already put our salt and pepper on there. Now, if you want to add something like some Cajun spices on top of here, if you want to, that's fine. Or if you want to add some more salt and pepper, that's fine. I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on here because that's what I like. I like things to be cheesy. So I'm going to put a little bit more cheese on the zucchini parts that seem like they're not covered quite as much as the other parts are. And this end down here. Put more cheese. Cheese, cheese. I love cheese. And cheese loves me. All right, so this is ready to go into the oven, bake at 350 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes. All right, so we'll be back and see what the finished product is. But meanwhile, we're going to move on to our shrimp casserole dish. Our squash and shrimp casserole dish. Okay, so here is the finished product of the zucchini casserole. Doesn't it look so delicious? I'm going to have to taste a bit of it, so let me grab me a fork over here. And I'm just going to grab a little corner right over here maybe. Grab me one little piece. I have to taste it to make sure that it tastes like what I know it's going to taste like. So, let's see. Put the camera on me. It's hot. That tastes so good. Delicious. That cheese is so good and crunchy. Ah, it's hot. That's so good. I dropped a piece of cheese. I'm gonna eat it. That's so good. Again. Excuse me, y'all. Watch you. This is zucchini casserole made with cheese. I sprinkled a little breadcrumbs on top. And now we're going to move to the other dish, the shrimp and squash casserole.